It's a crisp fall morning, and as I walk through this forest, I can't help but think about how much retirement is like the changing seasons. Today, let's talk about finding balance in retirement and what we can learn from nature. Just like these trees shed their leaves in the fall, retirement is a time to let go of work stress, rigid routines, and maybe even old habits that no longer serve us. The trees aren't worried about what's next. They trust in the cycle of life. Retirement is the same. It's about preparing for change and embracing it. One of the greatest lessons from fall is the importance of slowing down. After decades of hard work, retirement is the perfect time to pause and enjoy the simple beauty around you. Whether it's hiking through a forest, spending time with loved ones, or picking up a hobby, retirement gives us the chance to savor life's moments. Balance is key. Just like nature balances the cycle of growth and rest, retirement is about balancing, enjoying the present while planning for the future. Financial security, health, and a sense of purpose. These are the roots that keep you grounded. As I leave this forest, I'm reminded that retirement, like fall, is a time of beauty, change, and reflection. Embrace this season and let it be as vibrant and fulfilling as these autumn colors.